In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize expenses and revenue on Monday.com. If you're juggling bills, subscriptions, invoices, and payouts, a clean dashboard gives you one place to see what's coming in, what's going out, and whether you're on track. We'll set this up quickly using a ready-made layout so you can focus on the numbers that matter. First, go to New Dashboard. From your workspace, open the option to create a new dashboard. This is the canvas where your finances will live. Give it a clear name and place it in the workspace where the right teammates can access it. A well-named dashboard makes it easier to find and maintain later. Next, click Start with Template. Templates save hours by providing structure, formulas, and visuals that already work together. Instead of building charts and boards from scratch, you'll plug your data into a framework that's been tested for budgeting. From the Template Center, select Budget Plan. This option is designed specifically for tracking revenue and expenses. You'll typically see fields for categories, owners, dates, and amounts, along with charts that summarize totals, trends, and the difference between income and spend. Choosing this template aligns your dashboard with common accounting practices without forcing you to reinvent anything. Then click Use Template. The system will add the budget plan to your account and assemble the widgets for you. Once it loads, you're ready to manage your budget and expenses in one place. Review the sections for expenses and revenue and start entering your line items. Use consistent categories like operations, marketing, and payroll, so your summaries remain accurate. Double-check currencies and date ranges to keep monthly and quarterly roll-ups clean. As you add data, notice how totals, net balance, and variance figures update automatically, giving you an instant snapshot of financial health. To make the dashboard work harder for you, use basic controls that are already built in. Filter to a specific month or owner to narrow the view. Sort by amount to spot outliers. If you see a chart that doesn't match what you need, adjust its settings, not the underlying data, so your structure stays intact. Establish a simple update rhythm, daily for active teams, weekly for most organizations, so the numbers stay trustworthy. And before sharing, confirm the dashboard sits in the correct workspace and that sensitive figures are visible only to the people who should see them. With those simple clicks, New Dashboard, Start with Template, Budget Plan, and Use Template, you've built a reliable system to organize expenses and revenue on Monday.com.